Alright, back with a full battery to get in a little bit of this storm. I'm not going to be out here for very long because it's really bright lightning outside. But yep, gust front has went over us and wind is very much insane. I'm going to end up being one of those people that gets struck by lightning trying to take a video of a storm. If only this was a little bit more in the daylight. Hold on. The wind's kind of calmed a little bit. That's weird. I'm going to go around the corner. I want to go around the corner and see if I can get a... show you what it looks like over there, but I'm afraid to. Because as intense as this lightning is, I really shouldn't be standing out right here anyways. No, I think the wind's actually almost over. Gosh, I had to come here and look at this. Sheesh, scaring the crap out of me. If only it wasn't almost dark. What? I said if only it wasn't almost dark. I want to come around the corner and see what it looks like over here, but every time I do, lightning flashes, and the fire just went out and came back. No, not a tornado. This is the creepiest thing I've ever seen. I wonder what it looks like in the back, or in the front. I'm afraid to look. Not too bad. Only a little bit dark. There's lightning. It's getting too dark, you can't hardly see it on the camera anymore. What? What? What?
The satellite now.
It always goes out during storms. Even during those pathetic storms, it goes out. Whoa! Okay, that was bright. Okay, all the wind's over there. Every time I zoom in, this stupid camera blurs up. What? Yeah, I said that when you walked out. I said the power just went out and now it's back on. Oh, wow. Yep, here comes another big gust. Okay, don't hold me right here. Oh my gosh. 2014 derecho. Our bushes survived. And my thing on the system. Yeah.
Geez, Ryan, I can't believe you're out here.
Why wouldn't I?